Salam Sejahtera, we are from Section 5 and our topic is Cafeteria Food Pre-Order Systems. Three of our team members is MAHMOUD, Melody and Leo. In this presentation, we will be talking about the project descriptions, analysis and design, OO concept and also demonstrations. This Cafeteria Food Pre-Order Systems is a Java-based application that allows students and staff to pre-order their food before they go to the cafeteria. This system is also made to solve problems, for examples like long queues, slow service, and congestion during busy hours. In addition, it also saves time and help the cafeteria to work more smoothly. In our system, there is two main users, which is the customer and staff. For customer, they can view food menu, pick their food, and choose how many quantity they want, leave any special notes, and also specify the time they want to pick up their food. They also can choose a different type of the payment method, for example, like cash, credit, or touch and go. After placing order, they will receive a receipt with all the details, including a discount if they are qualified. And lastly, they can also leave a review for each of their order. Next, for the staff can manage the food menu by either adding new food, update prices, or add more stock. They also can see the customer list and the order list. Besides that, they also can update the order schedule for each of the order so that the customer can know when their food is ready. All the data are stored inside the file, so when the program is opened again, all the information is still there. Thus, the system is suitable for real-time applications. This system is simple to use and cover all the important steps from ordering to payment and lastly feedback. It helps both the customer and the staff by making food ordering easier, faster, and also more organized. Next, I will be explaining about our objective and also scope. Our main objective is to enable the customer to pre-order their meal in advance so we can enhance the customer convenience. And also, we would like to streamline the food ordering process for the cafeterias and also avoid waiting time and long queues during the busy hours. Lastly, we will also like to optimize the kitchen operations by organizing order based on the customer pickup time. For the scope, we have different user access in our system, which is the customer and also the staff. We allow registration as new system and also login and existing system for both of these user. And the user have their own unique IDs after they register. So in order to log into the systems in the future. For second is food menu measurements. We have a list of available foods with the food details such as the ID, name, category, price, availability, and also the quantity, which is their stock. So customer can view the list and select the food for or when they ordering. And for while staff, they can add new food items, update the food price, and also the stock. Third is placing order. Customer can place order by selecting their desired food, choose a payment method, and also specify a pickup time. And after that, the system will generate a unique order ID for each of the order for the customers. And while the staff are allowed to update and maintain the order status, we have 5 order status, which is pending, preparing, ready, completed, and cancelled. So for all of the orders, they are linked with the corresponding customer details and also their payment informations. For the fourth is payment systems. Our systems support multiple payment method, which is cash, credit, and also touch and go. There is also a discount that can be applied to the customers if they satisfy certain conditions. For example, if a customer spend more than 25 ringgit, then they can have a 10% discount. If they spend more than 50 ringgit, then they will have a 20% discount. The system will calculate the final amount after applying a discount or no discount. For the fifth one is review and rating. So after the customer get their food and enjoy their food, the customer can provide rating for each of their orders. So this can allow the operational teams to improve in the future based on the customer feedback. Six is the database. All our information is stored inside the file. So it's very suitable for real-time application because the system will update the data from time to time. Lastly is the administrative functions. For staff, they can update the food menus, view the customer list and order list, and also monitor the order list. In our system, we have the review and rating class. Review class, we have two simple attributes, which is the order ID and also the rating. We have the constructors and the getters. For this review class, it contains another rating enum class. So in this rating, we have 5 values, which is poor, unsatisfied, neutral, satisfied, and excellence. In this rating, we also have two simple attributes, which is the rate and the rate message. We have the constructors and also the getters. And here we have a method called to enum, which is to convert the integers into the enum value. Next, we have the payment and the discount class. In payment class, we have two attributes, which is a price and a payment method. Payment method is from another enum class that have the value of cash, credit, and also touch and go. Inside the payment class, we have the constructors, the getter, and setter. So for calculate discount is used to calculate the discounted price, and we have the get final price that will return the price that is subtracted with the discount price. So this payment class will implement a discount interface. In the discount interface, we have the basic discount that will be applied if you spend more than 25 ringgit, and another special discount that will apply if you spend more than 15 ringgit. And we have a calculate discount to calculate the discount price.
The user is the abstract class, so it does not implement the body for the abstract method. It contains the private attribute like name, email, and phone number. It also contains constructor that contain three attributes. Which is a string, which contain the string, and then we got the getter to return the value, and an abstract method known as display user inform. It should not be implemented with the body. Then you have divided into two concrete subclass, which is known as customer and staff. First is the customer class. It extends the user class and add two more attributes like customer ID to identify the customer uniquely, and the array list of review object, which allow each customer to store multiple reviews. This class also include an add review method and a custom display user info method that override the one from the base class, and a two file string method for saving data into the file. Second is the staff class, which also inherit from user. This class introduces a staff ID attribute and also override the display user info method. Like the customer class, it includes a true file string method to support file operations. Yeah, so the relationship is more to the inheritance, where both customer and staff are specialization of the user class. So three classes are demonstrate is a relationship in object-oriented programming. A customer is a user, and a staff member is also as a staff member is also a user. So additionally, the customer class, we have a composition relationship with the review class. This means that the customer has a list of review, and these reviews are strongly tied to the experience of the customer. If the customer delete, their review will likely to be removed as well.
Okay, so we talking about the food class and the order list class. So at the beginning, the food class represents an individual food item, such as let's say Nasri Mac items that we have